It's pretty obvious January was kind of dead when it comes to sneaker releases, but as soon as February hits, shit starts getting hectic. We got a lot of sneaker releases that are yet to come, and in this video I got 4 pairs of early heat that are gonna be dropping within the next month or so. You'll see why I'm excited for what's to come. I'm gonna do this in chronological order from the closest to release to the one that's a little bit further away. First, we got the Jordan 3 Craft. These are set to release on February 3rd at a retail of $210. Pop the lid. Obviously, you got cement print. Ooh. This might be the best pair of 3s we've seen since the J Balvin's and the Reimagined 3s. Second pair where we've seen the Nike Air behind the Jumpman. Aged look on this one, and out of all the craft sneakers, this definitely has to be my favorite. This pair's a banger. I love these. I'm glad that they're bringing these out. This might be the best craft Jordan that we've seen so far. Some people love or hate the 4s. This one's more undeniable. A lot of people saying, oh, I'm gonna be more selective this year, are coming out the cave to grab these craft 3s. If y'all are gonna be going for these, let me know in the comments. Perfect way to start February. These were originally gonna release in March. They have that double layer on the front as well as on the back around the elephant print. Cream on the outsole is fire as well. A lot of people are actually comparing these to the Meunier Jordan 3s. I think it's a little far-fetched. I would almost compare these to the Muslin 3s. It was almost a canvas pair if I'm not mistaken. They do share some similarities. You got the aged look. These have that plum cream on this pair, gray on the elephant print. I see the similarities, but it's not the same sneaker. You can't compare these two because they both stand alone, if that makes sense. Double Jumpman, misty blue gray color on the sock liner as well as on the pod and the Jordan. Jordan 3 Craft Ivories is the first release we're gonna see in February, and it's one of those pairs that is a must cop for me. I love Jordan 3s, and these right here, perfectly executed. On feet for these might be my next video. If not the next one, then the one after that. So make sure y'all subscribe if you want to see me roll the craft Ivories on feet. If you're excited for what's to come this year in the sneaker game, leave a like on this video. It's light work and it definitely does help the channel a lot. I appreciate all of y'all for coming through and showing constant love. Also, if you subscribe to the channel, comment down below that you're a new subscriber and I'll make sure to comment back. But let's get on to the second release. I low-key been showing these on the channel a whole lot. Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined is dropping February 17th. Shock drop is around the corner. Low-key might be happening this week. Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined is already top 3 sneakers of the year for me. There has to be a lot of heat to top these right here. There's nothing more that needs to be said when it comes to this pair. Original Bred colorway done perfectly. This is what a reimagined Jordan should look like. If they're not gonna do a vintage, at least make it make sense.
It just makes sense.
With the Royals, that shit didn't make sense, but with these, whew, Lord, these are gonna have the internet on a chokehold. They already do. A lot of us YouTubers have these early, and we're confirming to y'all out there, these are not to be played with. On release, these are gone. Make sure you put the miles in, put that footwork in, because if you want them, you really have to. Like, it's a beautiful shoe. Jordan 4 Breds already go on their own, and the subtle changes on this sneaker are just perfect, bro. It is what it is. I don't sit here and try to overhype shit unless it's justified, and with this pair, it definitely is. I love everything about this sneaker. They're gonna release February 17th officially at a retail of $215. The shock drop is rumored to be February 1st. I have a whole video talking about it. Once we get official confirmation, I'll make sure I post it for y'all. So subscribe to the channel, that way you don't miss out once everything is completely confirmed. Bred Reimagined, we've been talking about them enough on the channel. I just wanted to show y'all that these are coming, and it's low-key raising the heat. What the for upcoming sneaker releases. This third sneaker we actually did a first look on the channel for. It's a Jordan 5. It's another one of those pairs, bro. The olive Jordan 5s. These release March 2nd, if I'm not mistaken. These go crazy, family. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Let me get the other sneaker out. Damn, bro. These olives go crazy. Look at how the suede is sueding on this pair. Crazy part is this might be another one of those Jordans that sits on shelves because people just don't appreciate the OGs. I don't understand where this is coming from because this pair right here is beautiful. It's low-key releasing at the right time, being that we are in winter. So this olive color is just doing it for me, honestly. I'm excited to throw these on feet. Once it does get closer to release, orange guts on the inside. Another one of those iconic semi-OG colorways that released 18 years ago. We're finally getting these back and I couldn't be more excited. Olive Jordan 5s officially come back March 2nd. If I'm not mistaken, retail is going to be either 200 or 210 on this pair. That ballistic, almost cut up type of suede is not normal, bro. We don't normally see that, especially on a Jordan. This material almost reminds me of the undefeated Air Forces. They have like that ballistic type suede on it. Olive 5s is another banger, but now let's get into the last sneaker I have for y'all. We don't even know when this pair's officially releasing. All I know is that they're dropping this year. I would say Q1, the City of Love SBs. This is the burgundy colorway and these come in a pack. Like I said in my early look, this is my favorite from the two. This pair goes crazy, bro. Look at that patent around the swoosh. Materials go crazy and I do honestly love these. I feel like this might be one of the better years we've seen for sneakers in a long time, from SBs that have been leaking to just Jordan Brand putting OG colorways out. They're definitely not playing this year. This is one of my favorite SBs that we've seen leaked for this year. From the 4 pairs that I showed y'all in this video that are yet to release, it's probably one of my favorites. Obviously I'm biased because I love Bred 4s from new colorways. These are insane. That material on the top is crazy too, bro. Look at this motion. Ball sack suede around the front is crazy. I feel like this has the right amount of color. It's not overdoing it, but it still has something going on, if that makes sense. This string pack goes crazy. We still don't have any official release dates for this pair, but I definitely will keep y'all posted. If y'all want to see the first look for these, I'm gonna link it in the description. Out of all 4 pairs I showed y'all in this video that are yet to release, comment what's your favorite in the comments. Also comment what are 3 sneakers you would love to pick up this year from all the leaks that we've gotten, and trust me, there's a lot of them. Low-key, I made a video talking about some of the leaks, but I might have to make a part 2 because ever since I made that shit, there's been so many new sneakers that are supposed to drop, from collabs to Jordan OG colorways. There's just too much going on. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you go down below and leave a like on it. Let's see if we could get this one to 200+ likes. Also subscribe to the channel, that way you don't miss out on any of the reviews that I have for these 4 pair of sneakers. I got a lot of other early heat on the way, and if there's any other sneakers you want me to pick up, just comment it down below. If I see enough love for the pair, I'll make sure I go ahead and grab it. But we already got a lot of shit coming, so make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Spend some time with your loved ones because you don't know how much time we got left. And shit, I'm gonna catch y'all in one of these 2 videos because that's what YouTube is recommending you to watch based on your previous history. Low-key, they know you more than I know you, and they think one of these 2 videos is best for you to watch next. So I'm gonna catch y'all in one of those 2 videos. Peace.